Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mayar. On this video I'm gonna teach you what if our procedure is not on the same module or on the same package. Like right now we have a procedure, I call him operator, has it on the same module. What if that is located on different package? How should we use that one? Let's create one new ESQL file, and also that would be a good way to how should we create more ESQL file. We don't want to use the computer. You just create a ESQL file. So you just click new and come to ESQL file and name them anything. I will name them operator, since because we're using a lot of operators on that package. I want to not use the default schema. I want to use a different schema. I say I want to use my package, so or my schema or my pack, any name you want to give it. If you give it .com, that would be another folder. I just want to create one folder, my pack, and finish it. That would be my package name or my schema name or anything you want to call them, and finish it. And there's my ESQL name, and there's the container would be leaving it, but different schema. Now I have a different schema. I want to delete all of them. Just I want to get this. You could delete. I don't need anything from right here. I just want to use the area. So you could say create, and same thing would come. You want a procedure, you want a we will talk about what is this. If you want a procedure, you want a function or anything. Let's say I want a procedure. I want this procedure. I'm gonna call this one output, out message. I will name it out message. If you save it, pay attention right here. It give me the warning, and the warning says cannot be resolved because this is a procedure. We delete everything. Now it does not know what is this. If you want to fix that one, we need to pass it in right here. Let's say this is a reference because type is a reference, and also I want to pass the second one. I already told you the n keyword. It shows the direction. If I n, the data is coming from a function to this function, inside to this function. If you want to send data from this function to outside, it shows direction you send data to outside. But it's always good practice, use the capital. And now what is this complaining? Because we didn't give them reference. Now the complaint is gone. Also this gets solved. How should we use this one? And also whatever data is right here, whatever data I wanna, whatever data this one, I wanna pass it to that procedure and delete this one, the operator procedure. So how should we do that? Up to this point, I'm gonna copy all this one, whatever is inside of this one, and copy and go right here. I want to paste it right here, and also I'm gonna uncomment it for 1 second. So what is this complaining? Because this we need to pass that one as well to our procedure. So we're gonna copy whatever was there, we're gonna copy that one and bring it to our procedure. Gonna give him the comma because the last comma, and save it. Now that has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variable we need to pass it, and the complaint is gone. No more complaint, no more warning. And that was the operation. You could still leave it, there's nothing wrong with it, but we're gonna uncomment the operation. What this operation, we no longer want that one. We want to use, let's say how should we use because this is on a different package. It's called in my pack the schema name. And how should we use it on this package? This is a default package. So if you want to use, we use a regular, what's gonna happen, we give them the same name. Let's give them the same name and clean all the extra data. If that start complaining, then what should we do? Let's fix one by one. And this too I'm gonna pass directly data. That's okay, you could declare it and pass it right here, the variable. This is gone and this is also fixed. There's two things left, one output and input. We're gonna declare output and input right here. First I'm gonna create field output .xml, and I want to reference it. I want to reference my output root. Let's double root it in case not give me. I want to give a reference to, because if you remember we reference it, that's why those is a reference type. I also mentioned it is a reference type on my procedure. Now only one warning right here, input. How should we pass that one too? We're gonna declare input double T. I'm gonna pass it right here and reference it to input. I'm sure you're following it, because I'm sure up to this point, if you watch my old video, you know what I'm doing. This is the input message. I passed it right here, but still there's a problem with it. I mean the error is causing why. How, you see the incorrect function, because it cannot find this function where it located. That's why it's incorrect. Otherwise that is fine. So how should we fix that? Either the package name we have it, we just put dot and come right here, we say my. If you type my, you see my package is right here. You leave it like that. I passed to you leave it like that, is work fine. You see error is gone. You just mention the package name and dot your procedure name, they will come right here. But if you don't want to use it this way, you just save it, go on a top level, on a schema level, just say path. When you type path and Control P, you see the package is come. Control space, my package is coming. That's it. Save it, and also the error is gone. Either way is fine. Now you see we're creating procedure. We will call this function. Let's deploy and see. Now as we deploy, let's send a message. Okay, now let's get inside. I hope they let me. Still this is not letting me get in, but still let's try it. We're creating a total. Now this is for some reason doesn't letting me in. Let's go in. Okay, still for some reason this option is disabled, and let's call it and see the result right here, because the result will come. There's a 0, and also if you check right here, there's nothing. They will create for me whatever I create right here, and you see addition total. They will add the total of whatever data I pass right here and add me right here. Check, say 8 plus 2, they become 8 plus 3, they become 11. They will add me addition 11, and right here they add me 11 right here too as well. So let's pass. You see it called 11. If you go right here, addition 11, they create output message for me, and they create output out variable data for me, and the rest is the same thing. Is a function, we call them and pass the value to data. So let's make it quicker. It's timeout function and complete it. If you check, you see the addition come up. So this way you could access the your ESQL file, even they are located on different schema level. So see you on the next video.